And obviously there's quite a few things. I mean, I seem to be booked out at all the shows as well, where people have, they're going to build a house or they're going to put an extension on. They come to the shows with their plans to have things checked over, not just because they're interested in perhaps having a little bit of the icing on the cake, but because they're truly and genuinely interested in the fact that feng shui seems to work. And I find with a lot of cases that they tend to do all the wrong things. So be very careful, look at every situation and address it with brand new, a fresh approach, new eyes. Look at everything. When you go home tonight, walk through the front door and have a little clipboard and pen handy and write down all the things that you feel might be mistakes and see if you can fix them. And most things you can fix. There's been very few people, I'd say probably about maybe 5 or 6 people ever in nearly 20 years of doing this, where I've said to them, you actually have to sell up and move. This house is no good for you. And that's people who have been in a very, very bad way and haven't had the funds even to fix their situation. So it is rare that somebody's going to be told something as serious as that. So just to reassure you that anything and everything should be fixable. And should be fixable on a fairly good budget. I mean, the kitchen is the most expensive room in the house, so it becomes a little bit more expensive. But it's easier if you plan it right in the first place, isn't it? I mean, prevention is better than cure.